Hi guys, welcome back to Tom Wants Things. Today we are at Castle Combe. Finally, shows are back on track. So we are at Spring Action Day today, and it is absolutely rammed. Kind of came here just last year actually, while just before all the lockdown happened, and it wasn't actually that busy. But today it's absolutely manic. They've got all the places fully booked with all the trade stands and car shows and car clubs, sorry, not shows, and there's just variety, there's everything here at the moment. So we're going to have a quick walk around and have a look at some of the cars that have turned up, and then we'll head back and show you where I'm positioned. To give some context to just how busy it is here today, usually this isn't this full, but it is absolutely rammed with cars today, going all the way up, as far as the eye can see, all the way down there. So first up is Audi RS3 in this kind of like fade wrap. Apologies for a bit of noise, but this is looking pretty mad, isn't it? With mad fade going on this purple. Really quite like that, to be honest. Apologies for the noise and stuff, track open and stuff at the moment. But yeah, really smart this, like it a lot. Number plate game also hilarious, liking that. Seen this a couple times before as well. Also awesome with the rotiform aero discs with the Martinez wrap and stuff on it. Looking really nice actually, this. Really smart. Obviously on air, install in the back. Yeah, smart, liking that a lot. Quite liking the details on this GTI. Got some nice yellow detailing on the centre caps, badges and everything, with this kind of like urban, not urban is it, like Arctic triangulated camo type thing. Instagram and stuff on that, it's looking pretty sick, like it a lot. And then got it back round. How's this for a bit of JDM goodness as well? Oh. Absolute beast, loving this, big time, standard. Bit of old JDM goodness in there as well as your accessories. Yeah, Mark, top car, that looks well good. Okay, interesting thing for the sun strip as well. Actually quite like it with the triangles. Jesus, alright. No chill with this guy. Bit of goodness here as well. Love to see old TVRs. Hardly ever here because they're usually in a garage, not working, but this one's made it out. Looking pretty tidy, like it. So this thing is absolutely mental colour on it. It's not really picking it up on camera, but it is. It's crazy chrome pink. And these wheels are something else as well. Let's turn the brightness up to get a load of those. Look at that. Could do with some of these maybe on the Porsche. I don't know. See at some point? But yeah, unreal. That looks well good. So, top work like that. Seen this 350 quite a few times. Always quite like it. The blossom on the side. Nice, liking it. Got this mad beamer. Crazy thing about this is that that is static. No air ride on that, which I just find absolutely mad. Quite brave colour on this Twingo. With like a dull palette, sort of purple crayon sort of colour. Looks pretty cool though, quite like it. Tyre writing and stuff as well. Looks quite sorted, like it. So it's looking pretty gangster as well. 300C, you don't see these often, but those wheels are ginormous. Literally ridiculous. Old camber on the back. I don't know what size they are. What's that? A R22? Yeah, 22-inch wheels. Tucking as well, which is just mental. Yeah, totally murdered out. Love that. Awesome. Right, so the crazy thing is, I think the Porsche has just been accepted as one of the top 25 in the show today, which is pretty exciting. So I've got to just sign in and stuff for a parade lap, I think, a little bit later on, but that's pretty exciting. Didn't think it'd really get to that point, but hey ho, yeah, suddenly doing something right. So yeah, catch you in a sec. Right, and this is us today, as I say, here with Rapping Masters, who did the wrap on the car. It's positioned over here. Got its great MX-5 here as well. Some really sick mods on this. And then got the Marmite Audi. Gary's R32, always like this, especially with like the 3D effect on the wrap. So you can just about make out there with the hex underneath. That's all over the car. Some flip paints. Got Andy's Range Rover Evoque in the back, and then we got this monstrosity over here. Well guys, so here we are. We're in the queue for parade lap at the moment. Looking outside. Big old queue of cars at the moment, just ready to go out on track. They're just finishing up the last session, and then we should be able to go out and cruise around for a bit. Just ended up on the commentator's tannoy thing as well, which will be interesting to hear back, considering I hate the sound of my own voice. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys in a sec. We've got this bagged Mustang. So the interesting thing about this is Takeo Forged, who did my wheels, also did the wheels on this as well. So this is one of the other cars that they had as their initial launch vehicles for it. So looking pretty mad with the wide body kit on there as well. The forged wheels, carbon bits all over it. But yeah, they're looking pretty crazy, aren't they? Like the polished star and then sort of the gloss black dish and everything, looking pretty smart. All the way along. Yeah, looking pretty mad really. Louvers and stuff in the back. Oh, and this thing was out on track with me a minute ago. Looking absolutely mental. Do like a livery as well, and this one's looking particularly cool. Wrapped all the way around. Yeah, looking mad really. All the little details and stuff on it. Carbon bits everywhere. Yeah, what are we thinking guys for like livery on mine then? We reckon it's the goer then for something, obviously maybe not this style and stuff, but something similar with like graphics and stuff all over the side. I reckon might pull it all together, but we'll wait and see for that. A couple people leaving in a moment, but yeah, really smart, like this a lot. Mad thing as well here. I think this would probably go as something that I probably wouldn't want to be in on the way home, considering the weather's been raining. Absolutely nothing to take you away from the elements, but I bet it's a lot of fun. Home piece, steering wheel, Sparko seats. Looking pretty cool actually. I don't know what it is though. Nice though, like it. I've said it before on other videos, but this is the sort of thing that I'd like. Slightly different maybe to this one, but R34 would be pretty cool, but I think I prefer a 33. But I mean, they're just getting crazy money at the moment, even for a GTT or a standard NA at the moment. Pretty mad, isn't it really, with everything going on at the moment. Looks like this guy probably drifts, hence why the smaller Royals on the rear. Yeah, awesome. Would love to have one of these at some point. Another car tucked away here as well. This is looking pretty damn cool actually. Wide body Celica. Looks really smart actually. The whole kit all the way around. Liking this a lot. Quite subtle with the colour choice and stuff, but I think it looks pretty damn good, to be honest. Maybe change the way that this forms here, adjust it maybe slightly so that it kind of more blends in, but I reckon the overall thing that he's going for at the moment looks pretty damn cool. And it looks like maybe the fenders weren't potentially meant for this body style. I don't know, not too sure really. It looks good though for what it is. Top marks like that. A little spot I've just found tucked away down the back is this Mustang. Fluffy dice, obviously. Always quite like the shape actually, rather than because I know most people kind of go for the fastback, or is it? It's the fastback, but no, I think fastback has more of the sort of join rather than the actual deck lid. I always quite like the look of these with the more sort of angular square rear ends. Looking pretty cool, isn't it? Really, the detailing on the inside, all the chrome and stuff. Really smart. Don't make them like these anymore, do they? Really? Yeah, little spot tucked away down here. This mad thing on the way down, looking pretty crazy in the green, Lamborghini style green and stuff, silver wheels and stuff. It's pretty cool. Right, that's it guys, another Combe day over and done with. Pretty cool to have sort of shows and stuff back on again, which is pretty nice, and hopefully many more things to come with this year. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one, and subscribe and stuff if you want to catch some more car content. See you later.